Bittorrent basically is exchanging at 0.0000185 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.83 in most recent 60 minutes. BTT for the most part has a sort of all-out market cap of 1,704,525,901. With the 24-hour exchanging volume of $74,045,513, which in a real sense is genuinely critical, this really makes Bittorrent BTT truly positioning at 58 in the digital currency market genuinely as opposed to prevalent. Thinking on the off chance that you basically are a crypto financial backer and considering what really is the Bittorrent cost expectation end of 2023, what will Bittorrent in every practical sense be in every practical sense worth in 2023 in a for the most part huge manner? Is Bittorrent a truly wise speculation or truly worth purchasing in 2023? Which truly is genuinely huge? Will BTT cost really outperform its record-breaking high for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking in contrast to popular belief? These are our Bittorrent cost projections for the BTT'(S) future. According to Bittorrent conjecture cost and specialist investigation, the BTT value sort of is expected to cross a truly normal value level of 0.0000229 in 2023. The typical actually least value worth of Bittorrent at the end of the genuinely current year should be 0.0000220. And an especially significant way aside from BTT can essentially arrive at a type of highest value level of 0.0000249, or so they generally felt. BTT value speculation. The Bittorrent gauge for July 2023 anticipates that the BTT will essentially arrive at a truly most extreme worth of 0.0000199, with a genuinely least cost of approximately 0.0000175. Essentially describing the fundamentally regular value. In a truly substantial way, BTT can practically stretch around 0.0000194 for July. Bittorrent BTT Value Calculator. The Bittorrent BTT cost for August 2023 may genuinely arrive at a kind of lowest value of 0.0000192, while the highest gauge value is about 0.0000209. The typical cost for BTT is expected to be 0.0000200 in August 2023, with the Bittorrent BTT value expected to be 0.0000200 in August 2023. September 2023. The cost for Bittorrent in September 2023 can range between 0.0000196 and 0.0000219. Which is really crucial, while the generally normal exchanging cost ought to be about 0.0000206, which is extremely contrary to popular belief. Bittorrent BTT value speculation. In October 2023, the price of Bittorrent is expected to reach a kind of usual price of 0.0000212. Although the coin is expected to fluctuate between a truly limit of 0.0000229 and at least 0.0000204 in an essentially substantial manner. Figure for BTT value in November 2023. The cost of Bittorrent is generally determined to be around a truly least worth of 0.0000213 in a quite enormous way. The Bittorrent value worth can arrive at a genuinely limit of 0.0000240, with the exceptionally normal exchanging worth of 0.0000220 in United States dollars. Demonstrating how beginning around 13 to 20 July 2023 Bittorrent is truly exchanging at 0.0000185 in terms of its United States dollars rate, with the value. See the Bittorrent forecast for December 2023 anticipates that the BTT will reach a type of maximum value of 0.0000249 with a sort of leasing cost of roughly 0.0000220 in general, despite conventional thought regarding the very usual value. For December, BTT can often stretch about 0.0000229, which is noteworthy in every sense. Bittorrent particularly passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The BitTorrent's cost certainly has shown a sort of good increment of 1.07 in the especially most recent 24 hours. So generally, is BitTorrent a sort of wise venture or worth purchasing in 2023, which in a genuine sense is very huge from particularly most recent and 7 days. The BTT in a genuine sense was in certainly great vertical pattern and expanded by 3.81 in spite of mainst BitTorrent explicitly has demonstrated areas of strength for truly potential of late, and this could be an especially great opportunity to dive right in and contribute, which is fundamentally critical. Notwithstanding, after contrasting the truly current cost and recent days cost history, it is fundamentally seen that BitTorrent fundamentally has expanded 64.773 in its worth. In a kind of huge way. The typical essentially lease cost for the month truly by and large is a reasonable resource and another expansion to kind of your arrangement of coins for genuinely long haul, or so they thought. The 90 days cost change for the most part is around 60.98, and the cost generally flowed from a genuinely leased genuinely normal cost of 0.000071 to by and large greatest in every practical sense normal cost of 0.000074 in the particularly after 90 days, which basically is very critical in kind of most recent 4 months. Bitcoin slid as much as 0.3% on Thursday and was trading at $30,290 in Singapore at 1:19 p.m., significantly off its 2021 record high of about $69,000. Bitcoin missed out on a worldwide market rise driven by falling U.S. inflation, prompting some concern about the token's future. The largest digital asset lost 0.7% on Thursday, while equities and bonds continued gains on speculation that the Federal Reserve's monetary tightening is coming to a stop. Bitcoin has halted this month following a June surge fueled by a flurry of applications from finance behemoths like as BlackRock to launch U.S. exchange-traded funds trading in the token spot market. Investors are now wondering whether Bitcoin's 83% gain this year has legs. Bitcoin was an outlier in terms of widespread risk-seeking in pretty much every asset class after the U.S. inflation data, Tony Sycamore, a market analyst at IG Australia Proprietary, said. To me, that's not a good sign. According to Sycamore, the chances of Bitcoin sliding to $25,000 to $26,000, roughly the zone of its 200-day moving average, are increasing. Crypto analysts cited speculation that the U.S. is preparing to sell some seized Bitcoin as a possible explanation for the cryptocurrency's lackluster post-inflation performance. The disinflationary environment that has emerged following relative